Attention pioneers, a brand new update for the Pi Network app is here. So the version 1.41 just dropped and it's more important than ever to stay updated. Let's check in the App Store, and if you're in your Android, you can go to the Play Store. So let's search for Pi Network and see here if you check on the version, it's currently on 1.41. So 2 weeks ago they implemented this new version, and if you check the version history, you can see the recent is the 1.41 version, although there's not much information regarding the update. It's possible that this update may include key improvements to help with KYC verification and your Mainnet migration process. So if you're still waiting for KYC or preparing for migration, keeping your app up to date is a must. So don't miss your chance to complete KYC and join the next wave of migration. Go to your App Store and update to version 1.41 today. Your Pi journey depends on it.